Number 7 says, a continuous infusion of isoprel is ordered for a newly admitted patient in cardiogenic shock. The solution strength is 2 milligrams in 500 mLs of D5W, and the rate of infusion is 40 mLs per hour. Calculate the mcg per minute infusing, and then is this within the normal 1 to 5 mcg per minute range? So I have the rate, but my rate is in mLs per hour, and they want the rate to be expressed in mcg per minute. So I need to convert from a liquid form into a powdered form, as well as change the time frame from hours to minutes. So I'm going to start by setting up a proportion with the solution strength and my rate. And I put the 40 mLs on the bottom so that the mLs match. 40 times 2 divided by 500, and we get 0.16 mg per hour. So I have the rate in mg per hour, but I want it to be in mcg per minute. So I need to convert mg to mcg by moving my decimal place 3 places. And then I need to convert from hours to minutes. So changing the time frame, I'm going to divide by 60. And this number I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. So this is 2.7 mcg per minute. And then lastly, is this within the normal 1 to 5 mcg per minute range? That would be yes.